So I just wrapped up our weekly Zoom meeting with my family, and at some point during the conversation, my dad was reminded of something that came up during a Shopsmith Sawdust Session. Now, if you don't know what that is, every week in Shopsmith's 50 retail stores on Thursday night, we would host about an hour to an hour and a half course where folks would come in live, and there was some interaction from the audience, and really got to be a bit like a club. Not that dissimilar to the monthly meetings that we do here with the chairman of the board in the channel members. But anyway, I thought I'd go ahead and share this little clip from that conversation. I hope you enjoy.
We were thinking about Scott in a training session that we went to that he gave when he was working for Shopsmith. Do you remember that, Scott? You were showing how to smooth the inside of a vase that was made with wooden rings.
Yeah.
And while we were waiting for you to come out, all the people were there, and there was a guy in the front row, and he stood up and he pulled his checkbook out of his pocket, and he says, "I brought my checkbook tonight because every time I come to one of these Sawdust sessions, I end up having to buy something." So he puts it back, and Scott showed him this face that was made by wooden rings stacked up to give it the shape. And he put it on the lathe and smoothed the outside of it. He says, "Now you have to smooth the inside too." And he pulled this chisel out that had a tube welded crossways on it. And the inside of the tube was ground to make it knife quality, make a chisel sharp.
Yep. A ring gouge.
Turns it on and is shaving it. But when he pulled it out of his pocket, the guy jumped up and pulled his checkbook out and he says, "That's it."
Funny.
Funny.